It's a common dilemma, and while you can't directly use a Walmart gift card on Amazon, there are a few clever workarounds to consider. Let's dive in. First, the most straightforward approach: convert your Walmart gift card into an Amazon gift card. One popular method involves using a third-party gift card exchange website. These platforms allow you to sell your unwanted gift cards for cash or trade them for gift cards from other retailers. To do this, you'll typically navigate to the website, find the sell or trade option, and then enter the details of your Walmart gift card, including the card number and PIN. The site will then offer you a price for your card, usually a percentage of its value. Once you accept the offer, you'll receive payment, which you can then use to purchase an Amazon gift card directly from Amazon's website. This method effectively converts your Walmart balance into Amazon credit. Alternatively, consider alternative gift card options. Many grocery stores and pharmacies sell Amazon gift cards. If you have a Walmart near you, you might be able to use your Walmart gift card to buy groceries, and then use your cash from those savings to purchase an Amazon gift card. It's a bit of a roundabout way, but it works if you're already planning a grocery trip. Finally, always be cautious when using third-party services. Research their reputation and read reviews before proceeding for directly purchasing Amazon items. An Amazon gift card is always your best bet. Remember to explore different options to make your gift cards work for you.